everyone, it's Miss Penny with Marengo-Union Library. Isn't he adorable? I love that guy. That's why I played him for you. So, how is everyone doing? Good, I'm so happy to hear that. So, I am here to show you how to do our holiday ornaments. Yay! This is for the youth, and we are going to make puzzle ornaments today. In your kit, you're going to have directions and some ideas, okay? And you're going to have directions. I already said that. Okay, you're going to have some paints, and you're going to have some ribbons, and you're going to have some, got them, puzzle pieces. Oh, puzzle pieces. All right, and you're gonna have just some, let me just take this down, it's a lot easier. Okay, you're gonna have some googly eyes. Can you see those googly eyes? You're gonna have some, oh, I put the puzzle pieces in the gems. You're gonna have some little gems, sequins. Those are sequins. All right, and you're just gonna have a whole bunch of little stuff. Oh, that's not in the right spot. Here we go. You're just gonna have a whole bunch of little things, little pom-pom things, to decorate your lovely ornaments with. Let's get started. Now, for this, you can use hot glue, which adult supervision, because remember, you can burn yourself and it hurts a lot. Adult supervision if you're using that. You can use liquid like Elmer's glue too. It will take longer to dry if you use that, so just know that you have to be a little bit more careful with how long it's going to take to dry with that, okay? Also, acrylic paints. We're using acrylic paints, so quick, go get your smock or clothes that are okay, get dirty on, cover your workspace, and let's get started. All right. Everybody back? I know, I didn't give you much time, but we're ready to begin. All right, so to start with, I've already started. I'm just gonna make one ornament today. You guys get to make however many you can make out of the materials that you have. If you have extra puzzles at home that maybe are missing pieces, this is a perfect project for them. You can make these as gifts and hand them out to anybody, friends, family, yourself. You can hand them out to anybody, okay? What I did already, because you need these to dry a little bit, is I painted some puzzle pieces green, okay? Because I'm going to make the wreath. That's what I decided. So I have already pre-painted these. Now, some of your paints, most of your paints are probably, most of your pieces, you're going to need to paint 2, maybe even 3 coats of paint onto your puzzle pieces. All right, I did 2 coats of paint on this. All right, so what I did was I painted it first one time, let it dry, came back, did another coat, let it dry. Now it's ready to put it together. All right, so whatever project that you're deciding to do, projects, paint them all at the same time, and then that way all your painting is done. Voila! And then you can put all your projects together when you're ready to glue them. Okay, that's garbage because I used that to put my, so I have this tray. Ta-da! That's what I'm going to put my hot glue. That way, when I'm hot gluing this together, I don't have to worry about the hot glue getting on tables or on me or like sticking to places I don't want it to stick, because I am using hot glue. I'm going to be very careful. Hot glue dries quicker. That's why I'm choosing that. All right, so I'm going to start putting my wreath together, okay? We're going to take our hot glue gun. We're going to take one piece of our wreath, put a little dab of hot glue on a corner of it, and stick a piece of wreath, or I'm calling it a wreath already, another piece of puzzle just onto that corner. So corner to corner. And I'm going to do that until I have a circle of a wreath, okay? So I'm going to do that while I'm doing that, why don't we just play another song here? Come on, everybody, sing along. The Christmas tree have a happy holiday. Everyone sing merrily in the old-fashioned way. Does anybody have a favorite Christmas song? Is this anybody's? Deck the halls with boughs of holly. So my plan was to be finished by the time that was done, and I have one final piece. I'm about finished. That wasn't too bad. And dun 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 dun. Okay, I have my little wreath together. There we are. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? Actually, what's really neat about this, if you made it a little bigger, or even this size, if you have a picture of yourself, you could put it right in the middle. And then you'd have a personalized little wreath. Okay, now we get to decorate it. So I have it together, and since I used hot glue, it's not totally dry, but it's sticking together. That's what's nice about hot glue. All right, so I'm going to decorate. Oh, I also want to show you. So yeah, so you're gonna need paintbrushes. I didn't tell you that, did I? You'll need paintbrushes. I'm sending the paints home, so you're gonna have that. You may need scissors. You may not, you may. Of course, you're gonna need some kind of marker because of course you're gonna have to date this and write your name on it, right? We always do that. Look at these. I don't know if you've ever used these or if you know what these are, but these are gonna be in your kit. These are glitter, they're like glitter glue dots, kind of. They're really cool because it's glitter, but it's not really messy glitter. Yay, because we don't really like glitter so much, but these are gonna be fun. There's something you can use to just decorate whatever project you have. I'm gonna use it first, so really easy. All you do is peel the back off of your glitter. Let's see, it says it's easy to peel the back off. Let's see if the directions are right. Is it truly easy? You just have to get the little piece to start peeling, and then you can peel. It doesn't give you a peeling spot, so I'm actually, if you have an adult with you, you could maybe just use your scissors and poke a hole to get it started because the peeling process isn't working so well for me. So I used my scissors to just poke a hole in the back there, and then I'm just gonna peel it that way. Then your little glitter glue dot, I think these are so cute. I've never seen these before or heard of them until we found them and we got them. Okay, so now you have this little tiny glue dot. You're just gonna take it and wherever you wanna use it, you put it there, put it on your thing. I have to do this on the thing, but you put it down and then you use your finger and you smush and smear. And glitter glue just automatically stays exactly where you want it. And guess what? There's no little pieces of glitter all over the house. It's so nice. All right, so it did not work as well as the directions said. I will give you that, but so you're probably still gonna have glitter a little bit. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of heads up, but there is glitter on my project, and I think that's still very neat. So here you go. See? It's kind of cool. So it's like a little glitter dot instead of pouring glitter out of a bottle. Yay! All right, so we have a little bit of that. Now I'm going to use my glue gun, and I'm going to put a couple sequins on it just to kind of decorate it up a little bit more. So I will show you. I'll put a couple on here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I am going to use red so they can be like little berries on my wreath. Red sequins. All right. And before I show you, I'm just going to finish it off with a star up on top. Ta-da. There. You know what? That looks perfect to me. There we go. I have my first one. It's not officially done because you have one final thing to do with this, and that is there will be ribbon in your kit. You want to put ribbon on it because how are you going to hang it as an ornament without something to hang it with? Again, use adult supervision, everybody, because for this part, especially if you're hot gluing it on, we don't want fingers to get burnt, okay? So use your scissors that I just did not do very safely. Be safe with your scissors. All right, use your scissors, or you can just tie it on if you'd rather, whatever is easier for you, okay? And on the back of your ornament, at the back at the top, which is where my star is, you're just gonna kind of I'm gonna put hot glue, and then I'm gonna kind of put that on there like that, okay, so that it's looped, so that when I get to my when I go to hang it up, there's a loop and I can loop it onto a branch. That, my friends, is all there is to these. So you decide what kind of ornaments you want to make. And I only gave you ideas. You don't have to use my ideas. If you have other ideas, feel free to do them, okay? You don't even have to do Christmas if you prefer to do other kind, you know, a different holiday or even just a different shape of an ornament. By all means. Okay, here we go. My ornament is complete. Didn't say that completely right. All right, so the hot glue, I have to give it just a second to dry before I start holding it by its ribbon here. All right, I am done with my tray. I'm gonna put this up out of the way. Here we go, everybody, look. Now, there you go. That's one ornament, but I'm giving you enough in this kit to make a few ornaments. So you can give little presents to people. Oh, by the way, don't forget, this is where on the back or on the front, if you'd rather, try and put your little name in there, or maybe initials and the date. If you need a big person to help you, do that, okay? It's always important to do that because sometimes we just don't remember who made what and when, okay? Especially if you're giving it as a gift. That's even more important, because if you're giving it as a gift, then it's more important to know who it's coming from. And that is all there is to our holiday crafting. I hope you guys have fun making this craft, and you know, put some holiday music on in the background while you're doing it. And dance around and do some painting. Remember to be careful, it's acrylic paint. If you're using a hot glue gun, have an adult with you. And as always, clean up after. Easy cleanup, actually. Pretty easy cleanup. You can do it. I have faith in you. You guys have great holidays, and I will see you next year. Bye, everybody.